In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wyze app on Android. We'll keep this simple and clear using the official method through the Google Play Store. This is the safest and most reliable way to get the app, and it ensures you receive updates automatically so everything works smoothly with your Wyze devices. Before we dive in, here's a quick overview of what the Wyze app is for. It's the central hub for your Wyze smart home. You can control compatible cameras, doorbells, locks, and sensors, watch live video feeds from anywhere, receive motion alerts and other notifications, and manage all your devices in one place. If you're setting up a new camera or want to monitor your home on the go, this is the app you'll use. Let's get it downloaded. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You'll find it on your home screen or in the app drawer. It's the icon with the multicolored triangle. If you have a lot of apps, try using your phone's search to quickly locate Play Store. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top and type Wyze. Be sure to spell it W-Y-Z-E. In the results, look for the official listing titled Wyze, Make Your Home Smarter, published by Wyze Labs Inc. This ensures you're getting the legitimate app from the real developer. Checking the title and developer name is a great habit to avoid lookalike apps. When you found the correct app, tap Install. Your phone will begin downloading and installing the app. Depending on your connection, this might take a moment. A stable Wi-Fi connection can help the download finish faster and avoid using mobile data. Once the installation completes, the button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the Wyze app right away. You'll also find the app icon added to your home screen or app drawer for easy access later. A quick tip to wrap up: always install Wyze from the Google Play Store first. It's more secure than side-loading from other sources. It makes updates automatic, and it provides the best compatibility with your Wyze devices over time. Keeping the app updated ensures you get new features, performance improvements, and important fixes as soon as they're available. That's all you need to get the Wyze app on your Android device. Open the Play Store, search for Wyze, confirm the Wyze, Make Your Home Smarter listing from Wyze Labs Inc. Tap Install and then Open. You're now ready to manage your smart home in one convenient place.